Hey there, how's it going? Welcome to Quarantine Cuisine. So, today we'll be cooking, oh there's my neighbor, hey. Today we'll be cooking tuna quesadilla with bits of cheese. And we got another one over here with some chicken patties. So, after I get all that heated up, we're gonna see how it turns out. Alright, I was gonna get lazy with it, but I decided not to, so I went ahead and, chop the chicken up. So what we're gonna do is kind of smash that down. Oh, damn, let me set this up right here. So we're gonna smash it down. We only had one piece of cheese, so we had to do what we can. We should have cheese on both sides, but oh well. Yeah, we have the tuna one. That one's gonna hold together a little bit more. They're both delicious. That's super out of focus. Right, so kind of let it chill, And then you just freaking wait after that. What I like to do is go ahead and get the plate ready. Wash any leftover dishes. And just chill. Maybe make a sauce or something, like some ketchup. I don't know. Alright, so they are out of the pan. Now, give it that little cut. Sorry, I'm trying to do two things at once. This one will probably be a pain in the ass. That's fine for that one. There we go. That's the kind of pan I made it in. It's fucking good. Got some mayonnaise and ketchup. Cause I'm gonna eat it like a sandwich, but it's better than a sandwich. And there it is. I put some Mexican seasoning on top with some garlic powder. And I'm about to devour it. I already know it's good. So thank you for checking out Quarantine Cuisine.